Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're having a lovely day today. I have an amazing recipe for a beautiful red juice made of really healthy fruits. So 2 red apples, some red grapes, some pomegranates, and blackberries. All of these fruits are so great for your body, and when all of these fruits come together in a juice, the taste is just amazing, incredible. I can't describe how amazing this tastes. So do try it for yourself and share it with your friends and your family. You know how summer is starting soon and Ramadan is coming up and we drink a lot of juice when it's hot. This is the juice that you need to make because it's full of great vitamins and nutrients. You're going to feel so energized when you drink this. And what's amazing is that it has a natural sweetness to it, so you don't need to add any sugar to this. And the kids love this. It's better to make juice at home from fresh fruits than buying it in the store. It's usually full of sugar when you buy it. It's full of colors and unnatural flavors and additives and preservatives. And the greatest blessing in life is good health. So while we're healthy, let's take care of ourselves, let's take care of our families and our friends, and drink and eat what's best for us. What's the most natural is what's best for us. So enough rambling for now, and I hope you'll enjoy this and try it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, and stay blessed, stay happy. And from me and my family to you and your family, a very happy and blessed Ramadan.